Yeah, now I'm in the northern part of the country. I'm in north of Uganda. That is the only region that we have that has the highest grasses. You know, it has plenty of grasses. Not like the east, not like the central, not like any other region in this country. But you know, they had not went into serious farming. Um, so this is I want these guys to also know how they can utilize their stuff. First of all, they have bigger lands now, as they have very small number of animals and actually of local breeds. I told you I don't hate local breeds. I love them so much. But you know, like a poor hamiisi, I cannot invest in an animal, let's say 100 million. Then I wait for 3 or 4 years to at least get the 100 million. I want to invest, let's say 100 million in an animal. After 6 months, I receive some animals. You get? That is my dollars. That's my profit. So, what I'm trying to do now, these people do a lot of soya beans. They do a lot of rice. They do a lot of sorghum. And you remember, sorghum is rich in the protein. Soya is rich in the protein. Rice is rich in the carbohydrates, of which we need both of them. So me, when I saw these guys really wasting a lot and their animals are not really looking nice, I'm teaching them how to utilize the leftovers. So these are the leftovers of this is rice leftovers, and this is the soya bean leftovers. You get it? What are we going to do today? We are going to do what they call silage. I've talked about silage many times. I think you don't understand what I'm explaining to you. So we are going to chop it and chop as well this. Then we put molasses. We cover like for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. If we use microbes, we can as well serve those animals within 2 weeks. You get it? That also helps to for the feeds to ferment at a faster time. So we are going to do this. This is a rich and ready feed. Why? Because these are carbohydrates and these are protein. So if we mix the two, if an animal is having protein and is having the carbohydrates, that means it's bringing up a muscle and then the fat, of which none of you would like to eat meat which doesn't have the fat, and then having the small muscles. So you people, today I'll be showing you that. And this is the machine as usual. And these are the polythene. I told you, I do surface silage. So we are going to use this real place here. We put our polythenes, then we chop using our machine. Then we put molasses, cover, and then inside. Then after 1 week or 2 weeks, these guys will be ready. But since this is dry, we might take like 3 weeks to start serving it to the animals. So hey people, I'm going to keep posting whatever we do, like always I've been doing. So let me just wish you the best as for now. And this is what we are going to do in the northern part of the country. So if you're a northerner, please pay more attention. Not only northerners, but whoever has the leftovers, instead of burning these muscles, please use them to do the grasses. Some countries, which are semi-desert countries, they can't even access this. They can't even have this. Some of us in Central, we've been not having the rains. So we've been planting the grasses and we do the irrigation to have this. But for you who have this, you keep burning it. Please take it from me. Don't burn. Just follow what I'm trying to teach you. Then you can have dollars with you. We all want the dollars. Thank you very much. Let me just wish you the best. Watch for the next steps that we are going to be taking. Bye.